Early morning review of a beautiful carbonized gray 24 Akins Ford F-350 Platinum Covert Edition. This is a bad boy, y'all. Look at the sun as this rising this beautiful morning off this carbonized gray. As I go around, you're gonna see different shades of this carbonized with the sun hitting it on the side, but foundationally, a 3.5-inch Carli E-Venture is an incredible lift kit component. I'm on the fence about my limited right in the back about what to run. Obviously, I know I want to run this kit because it is the superior ride quality, but I've got so many other options. But I just know that even though the price point is what it is for this kit, it is the go-to kit. We're talking Raptor-like suspension with an electronic shock package that is going to dial in and adapt to your conditions hundreds of times per second. We have the Carli torsion sway bar, radius arm with limit straps, and the E-Click. Oh my gosh, on the inside. So I just got here, y'all, so I know this thing's locked, but you've got your dial there for all your adjustments as far as stiffness, what drive mode you're in for the current condition that you present. So also, we got progressive leaf pack in the rear with the long travel airbags. We're on fuel sledge wheels, 37, 12.5, 20, mild to wild scale on this carbonized gray is on the mid-level. To me, is great. We're not too far out or in. It's a great stance and setup. Now, the satin on the carbonized hits different. Don't get it twisted, and smoke the taillights as well, but look at this satin. Austin did a great job on this one. Satin with the carbonized upper lower bar, platinum letters, and Super Duty. Golly, that is my favorite part. This rear back here is my favorite for sure. We got rigid SRQs, we got Carli trophy hitch to go along with it. Satin on carbonized. You can throw a gate black on carbonized, it looks great. You can do all carbonized and it looks great too. There's no wrong answer with this scenario or equation, but nonetheless, this might be, oh my gosh, I love it, y'all. This gets me so fired up early in the morning. Carbonized gray on the side bed step. Door handles were chrome, so did that as well. Wrap this upper and lower satin black to go along with it, and then mirrors completely carbonized. So again, no wrong answer. If you want to do carb with a satin cap, a little black on the side, whatever you want to do is going to work out so nicely, but all carb money setup. Here we got a little bit of a gate black with the platinum letters and carb, satin, carb. Doing all this right here where it's a big piece of texture, and then this is all chrome. That just really cleans everything up, because I know a lot of our people, great customers across the entire country, they don't want any chrome on these trucks. So that's why on the headlight as well, this was all chrome with the amber side marker. So carb there, carb on the grill, even these U-shaped parts on the inside, carbonized, and then did satin on this area here. A nice 30-inch single row rigid, and then a Warren winch, of course. Already got the trimmer valence, but it is a money truck, y'all. This is a beauty, and like I was here before anybody else gets here, like I like to do, to go in there and edit. And then I saw this truck. I knew it was about to get completed, but didn't think it was going to be down here this morning. So I'm like all twisted already off the get-go. But carbonized gray, and we're the 350 trimmer. We got extra capacity. We got the trimmer as well. So there are things like axle vent lines, hill descent control, different axles front and rear that the trimmer does present. So the trimmer is a more expensive package. This makes the truck even more expensive, but you do get some items on this trimmer that to me make it worthwhile, because if you don't have a trimmer, Super Duty, and you do this exact thing to it, it's not gonna be as legit. So not knocking that setup, but I'm just saying, if you want the baddest of the baddest, then this is what you got to roll with. So again, 24 platinum. Hope you can see without the glare. It's just some of the equipment that comes with it. So trimmer, skid plates, the wheels and tire, which we deleted, and all the other things as I mentioned that are included on this. 355 electronic lock and diff, high output, of course. Wow, 103,890. This is incredible. I can't believe the price points have gotten where they have, y'all. But again, we're not going to throw cheap components on trucks that are this nice from the factory. This is a bad boy, and we've got another one, and I'm actually selling that one today. So my race red is going away today. Kind of sad about it. I love that truck so much, but you know, we got something coming special on the Limited right there. This is for Tim from Texas, a great customer. What a beautiful truck he's getting. Detail department getting it nice and cleaned up. Carbonized gray with satin black accents with the amazing Carli E-Venture kit. 3.5-inch lifted on 37 sledges, Carli torch and sway bar, all the goodies, and the satin black. Look at that accent. That looks incredible to me. You got full carbonized mirrors, door handles taken care of. Love the 37s on this size. Smoke the tails, and this satin applique looks so incredible to me. I wanted to show this to you under the lights. This morning's review was great too, but it was dirty and it just didn't showcase like it does in this lighting condition. So overall, it looks amazing. And the contrast of got a little bit of suede insert there, and the black and tan on the inside of the platinum is a truly beautiful multi-contoured concept. And there's your gauges that does all of the specifications of dialing in this E-Venture, which gives you right through light suspension, quality, and characteristics. Ant researches, it's all there. Worn winch, headlights painted, 30-inch light bar, money, setup. One of the baddest trucks we've ever done, and we continue to put this out on the daily. This is a diamond. Thanks for watching. I cannot express enough from the bottom of my heart how much it means to me that customers here and across the entire country are trusting in us for delivering products like this. And this right here is worth, for me anyway, now that I've seen the true potential in this industry now, I would go anywhere to deal with us. And that's not being any type of way, y'all, but what we're doing here and the passion that we present with the quality of craftsmanship with the scenario of Akins and Wild Willies being one great solid unit is everything. So come check out Willie Man. Come holla at Willie Man and your boy. We got you covered. Until tomorrow, peace out.